Hello everybody, so today it is going to be my first unboxing of something PS5 related. This arrived today, as well as the PS5 camera, which I'm going to be doing a separate video on. So this is the PS5 media remote. I knew that I wanted this because I kind of watch DVDs and stuff on my PS4 and I don't have a remote for it, so I have to use the controller. So it's a bit of a pain, so I knew that I wanted to get this. So yeah, it's pretty plain packaging. I'll be doing an unboxing of the camera as well. And yeah, let's get it open. I'm still in two minds if I'm going to keep the camera or not, because I'm not that much of a camera streamer. But I don't know, I'll see how it is and if it's decent, because the PS4 camera is terrible. So I don't know how I feel about that. I also don't know how I feel about this not opening. Okay, come on. Open. There we go. Okay, so we are in the plastic. Comes in this white box with Made in China on the back of it. Okay, so you get some batteries as well, that's pretty cool. You have the instruction pamphlet, which is very big considering how small this actually is. So as I say, you do get some Sony batteries, if you can get them out. So yeah, Sony batteries, pretty good. And then onto our actual media remote, which is a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be. It's also a very different shape to what I was expecting it to be. Wow. Can you see that? That's very different from how I was expecting it to be. Oh my god. You really won't be able to see it, but even on this it has all of the tiny little X's, squares, crosses and triangles on it. You know, like the controller has. That's incredible. I will try and take a photo of it, but I don't think you'll be able to see it on camera. So it has a little thing here to take off the back. Not much to see in here, just has the battery compartment and then some details. It is very shiny, which I do like, but this is insane how it's got the logos and everything, and it does add a little bit of texture to it, so it's not going to be falling out your hands or anything. Yeah, as I said, this is very different from how I was expecting it to feel in the hand. I also don't know how to put it back on. There we go. That looks insane. So it's quite a uneven remote, because it does have that curved thing. I suppose it makes it easier to hold in your hand if you're going to be holding it like that. On the actual remote itself, you have your volume up and down, voice thing, so you can open up things with your voice, TV, mute, your kind of D-pad thing. Feels very, very nice. Back, play, fast forward, I'm guessing that's your options button there. Then you have a Disney Plus button. I don't have Disney Plus. You have a Netflix button, which is pretty handy. YouTube button, also very handy. And the Spotify button as well. Then at the bottom you have the PlayStation logo here, which is kind of raised and has a little bit of a shine to it. Don't know if you can see that all in the camera, but yeah. I like the fact that this is all matte and then the black bit is very, very shiny. Like very shiny. And then you've got the Sony thing here and then that texture, which is so nice. I love it. So yeah, I'm excited to get this. It just sucks the fact that I have this now and I kind of have to wait another week until I get my PlayStation 5. So yeah, that sucks, but still, this is going to be pretty cool. I like this a lot. I like it a lot. So yeah, that is my little video on the PlayStation 5 media remote. Stay tuned if you want to see an unboxing of the PS5 and a video on the camera. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.